Yeah, so this is our fourth and final project. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. It's in the same area, Coleah, Adoha, Cite Douane. Everything you see here, this kitchen, this hot water outlet, these tiles, we're gonna pull everything out of there. We about to remix this thing like you never seen before. It's gonna look unrecognizable. You're gonna be like, well, what happened? This living room / dining room, see them nasty floors? They ain't gonna be nasty no more. See this naked wall? It's gonna have something on it next time. You know what I mean? Everything different. This wall is gonna become a masterpiece right there. It's gonna become a masterpiece. I think you guys will like it. We gonna have a lot of fun with this. The bedroom, wow, how's this gonna change? You can't imagine. Same thing, new floors, new closet, new ceiling. Yep. Just the stuff you can do when you have an imagination. Spoiler, we will be keeping our colors teal and white. So, but we got Conakry, he's managing everything. You're gonna see everything evolve. This bathroom, changing it. That toilet ain't gonna be looking like that. Those tiles, those drab brown tiles, you think it's gonna look like that when I'm done with it? Nah, son. That little shower stick, whatever they want to call it, you think that's good enough for me? Nah. These tiles are gonna touch the ceiling. They're not gonna stop. We don't stop. Why should the tiles stop? Look at that. Totally different when I'm done with it. Totally different. I'm gonna change it up. Got rid of the toilet. Actually, I took that toilet and used it in another project. I recycled. I'm going green in this mug. I recycled that toilet and put it in my other house. So all y'all green people, we definitely thought about the environment with this one. Let's go. Yeah, so we're here at the new project. We already changed some of the floors, or all of the floors. Put the TV wall up. And we open this to make a new doorway. This is the bedroom. As you can see. And this right here, this is gonna be a closet, but you're gonna open it from the other side, so I'll show you. So when it's done, we took everything out of the kitchen too. So this is where the door to the closet is gonna be. So the closet is gonna end right here, and then that's the bedroom. And this is the bathroom. You can't really see because there's no electricity, but I can show you as much. I changed all the tiles, ceiling, so y'all gonna see it when it's done. So today, we building a wall. Build the wall, build the wall, build the wall. The wall, the new closet. It's a little dark here at night, but the wall is basically done. He's finishing up his Sunday fun day. So now we got an extra little closet for the hallway. Today we are painting the walls. That started. There we go. So now They put in the grout and added the ventilator in the bathroom. They got a finished bathroom.
Let's go, bro.
Yeah, the bedroom is painted. And we got compo with us. Turn on the lights! That's future, right? I was never good at karaoke. Order. That's Coleah.
Don't be those houses in the what be that.
Yeah, we're just finishing up. Painting the walls. With Monsieur Cabet. Le maître. Pour les carreaux. Il travaille très bien. Getting down to the finish line. Closet. Bathroom. Kitchen is not a kitchen yet. Mattress. Whole bunch of other stuff. We almost there.
You wanna take a picture?
I'm doing a video.